Hello guys, Marvin Williams here with another video update. In this video update, I'm going to be showing you guys how to use LastPass to actually autofill your ads inside some of these classified websites like Craigslist and Backpage and some of the other classified websites that you guys use. This is going to make it a whole lot easier. LastPass, you can download it for free and then install the plugin to your browser. Very easy. You just install it here and then follow the instructions. And you want to have it pull all of your data from your browser and then save it. Okay. Once you finish doing that, the next thing that you're going to need to do is once you have the plugin on your browser, and let me just show you guys what it is that I'm talking about. Okay, you're gonna get a plugin that looks like this, a little icon in your browser, whether it be Firefox. Also, it's an Internet Explorer. Okay, you see it right here up to the top, and you can have it set where it goes into all of your browsers, whatever browser it is that you have on your computer. Okay, let me close this one here, and I also have it in my Firefox as well. You can select whatever browser that you want to have it installed in. If you use multiple browsers, I recommend that you're doing doing them in multiple browsers. See, I have it over here inside my Firefox as well. Okay. So once you install it and you have the plugin, the icon showing up on your browser, the next thing that you're going to have to do is click on the icon, and then we're going to go to Form Fill, okay, where it says Fill Forms. Okay, we're going to click on this, and what we're going to do is we want to start adding profiles. I'm going to show you how to customize these profiles once we get them set up. Okay, so you're going to go to Add Profile, and it's going to take you to this page that looks like this, where it says Add Form Fill Profile. Okay, and you're going to need to do several things in here. Okay, first you're going to need to set the name for the profile, and if you have different ads, you want to have all of that stuff already set. You can even do HTML in this as well. Okay, you can do all that. So if you post in, on Craigslist and Backpage all the time using HTML, well, you can have all of that set in your profile. And I highly recommend, naming each ad, giving each name for the profile a unique name, so you can know which ad it is that you're using for what program. And I'll try and show you guys how to do that as best that I can. So this is what we're going to be going through right now. Okay. First, we're going to be doing the name, which is going to be over here, and I'm going to show you how to select those I'm going to show you how to use all this as well once we're done. Okay, so it's going to be the name, custom fields, okay, custom field 1, 2, and 3, and that is it. That's all you're going to need to fill in. And here we go. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is select the name for our profile. Okay, and this is going to be the profile name that you're going to be using the ads for. Let's just say, for instance, I'm doing ads for one of my programs, and what I'll do is, and let's do it. I'm going to do this for my Fun Life, because that's one of the programs that I'm doing, and I'll show you guys. What I'll do is I'll make an abbreviation, and that would be MFL, and I'll just put 1. Okay, so that's going to be my first ad. So now I'm going to go over to custom fields over here, and if you remember what I said earlier for the custom fields, okay, so you're going to click once you click on custom fields, you're going to come now and you have to go to custom field 1, which is right here. Okay, in custom field 1, you're going to put in that title right here. Okay, custom field 2, what you want to put in there is your description. Okay, I'm going down in order here. We're going to go from the left to the right. Okay, so in here it's going to be a description, and then in the next one, which should be the location. Okay, and you can add more fields if you want, and just add the values to them as well. So this is where you're going to put your title over here, and I'm just going to set I'm just going to put a title in here for right now, just to show you guys how this all works. And I'll go and show you how to grab. If you see in my last video, the one that I did for Photobucket, then you can grab the description for that and put inside the description where it would make your ads clickable. So I'm going to come over here and I'm going to just put a title. And this one here, I'm going to put free income system. Actually, I need to change this over here. Okay, so I'm going to make sure this is a different ad title. So I'm going to put this for free income system over here. And then now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over to Photobucket. And guys, you can put text out in here. I mean, you can put whatever you want in here. Okay, however you put it in there, that's how it's going to show up. So I'm just going to take this out of here. I'm going to go over to Photobucket because I have an image ad that I want to use, and I highly recommend you using clickable image ads as well. So I'm going to go over to Photobucket and log into my account and grab one of those image ads that I have set up already. And these are the ads that I have right now for the free income system that I'm working. And as you can see, once you log into your account, you come over here to see where it says HTML, guys. You just grab the HTML code and you go back over to the LastPass, okay? And you're gonna put that in here, and you can drag this out, and now before you save this, you have to edit it, okay? This piece right here is where your link goes to your website, and you can put this in an HTML editor if you want to see what it look like. And I have an HTML editor here that I use, which is Microsoft Front Page. So I click on this, come over here, and put that code there. You'll see what that image would look like. This is what it looks like right here. Now I can go and remove my code from here, okay? But I'm going to show you guys how to do it over on the other end. And I can just put my code here for my, well, not my code, my website link. Okay, so freeincomesystem.com, and all I have to do is go back into the code, and I can copy all of it right here and then paste it in there. But for those people that don't have an HTML editor, okay, what you're gonna do is, and if you're using Photobucket, go to the video that I did for the Photobucket option, showing you guys how to use Photobucket to make clickable ads, and then you can use that inside the LastPass. What I'm showing you right now, okay? So I'm going to come over here and I'm going to copy this link right here. The first link you want to remove, and you're going to put in your link. Now, guys, let me make this very clear, because I don't want you removing it and then putting it in wrong or messing up the code and it's not working correctly. What you're going to do is highlight this right here, and you're going to highlight from where the HTTP starts, and you're going to stop right past the HTML. Just highlight it, okay? Don't make any, don't delete the full thing. Just highlight it, and then start typing your website link starting with the HTTP, okay? So just type in HTTP, and then I'm going to put in my website name, okay? And then, because Photobucket always put the image ID right here inside the HTML code, we're going to remove that. And we're going to make this, we're going to put click here now. You always want to put call to action in your ads, guys. Because when you tell people to do something, 9 times out of 10 they're going to do it. So when they hover over your ad, once this is posted, it's going to give them a little pop-up box that says click here now. And that's where you want to put that right here, right after where it says alt equal, and then you're going to put that there. Remove where it have that that ID image code from from Photobucket and just put your image code there. Okay, so that's it. And then now we're going to go down into the next section right here, which is the location. Now, depending on where you're going to be posting, you can put worldwide. You can put, if you're going to be putting in posting in a state or a city, you can just put it there, or you can just leave it blank. Okay, but what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put nationwide here, or sometimes I'll just put a little check mark or something in there. But what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to put nationwide. Okay, and then all I'm going to do now is save. Okay, and I'm going to click right here where it says add form fill profile, and that's it. If I go back up over here and I go to fill forms, okay, you see it give it to me right here where it says FIS1, which is going to be my free income system, and this is my first ad. So let's say I want to post this on Backpage, and I'll go over to Backpage. Okay, backpage.com. Okay, and I'll log in to one of my accounts. Let's just see if I'm already logged in over here. Okay, so I'm gonna just go ahead and log into this account right here, and as you can see, well, I have a lot of ads in this one, 894. That's because I have a software that's running right now that is posting ads in the business service section for me. Those ones are not live. If I click on them, they would go live right now. So what I'm gonna do, let's say I want to post an ad, and I just want to show you guys how you can do this. Now, what I would recommend you doing, guys, is go to Backpage and get all of the top listed cities and save them in a browser. Save them in a file somewhere. Make a little file like this right here. This little folder on inside your browser, and you can put all of those links in there. That way you can go to them, and it saves you a lot of time when posting your ads. Okay, so I'm gonna go over here, and I'm just gonna randomly select one of these cities that I want to post in, and I'm gonna come over here and go to Biz Ops. Okay, and once I'm in Biz Ops, now I'm gonna go to post an ad. Okay, and I'm gonna select the first one, Lawrence, here. And what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to click on the title. You see, when I click on the title, it gives me a drop-down menu here from LastPass. Now, if I click on it, it's going to give me two options. You see right here? This is an ad that I already have in there before, another profile. But if I select the one that I just created showing you guys, if I click on that, it automatically fills everything in there. And I'm going to show you guys how that looks right now. Now, if I scroll down, because I'm logged into my account, it automatically fills the email. But you can also have it, you can put an option where it automatically fills the email in there as well. But just once you create the account, just log into it, and it's going to automatically fill it. And I recommend, if you're going to be using Backpage and doing this, you just go here and select I do not want to receive any email inquiries. Okay, and then select this other one right here. You don't want to display your other ads. You only want just the ad that you post in the show. So now what I'm going to do is scroll down. Okay, and I'm going to click on continue. And this is if you posting your ads manually, guys. I also have an option where there's a software that you can use and post them automatically for you. 546 ads within 8 hours. So I'm going to go here and I'm going to put in the capture code, and I'm going to show you how to do this on Craigslist as well. Okay, it works the same way. So now I'm going to click on place. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and take a look at my ad. So I'm going to view it, and there it is. And if I put my cursor here, you see how it gives me the option to click on this. If I click on it, it automatically takes me to my website over here. Very, very simple stuff, guys. You can use this I mean, to really make your posting of ads real quick. I mean, it's only going to take you a little time setting them up and creating these profiles over here. As you can see, you know, it saves all of your profiles. These are all of my accounts that I have on Backpage. I have about 11 accounts on Backpage. So let me go over to Craigslist now and show you guys how you can post ads on Craigslist as well, using the same option. So I'm going to go back. I'm going to go to Craigslist. And it's Craigslist.org or .com. So I'm gonna log into my account. Okay, so I'm already logged in. Let me make sure I'm logged in. Alright, so I have several accounts, well, 25 accounts on Craigslist, and I want to make sure I log into a Miami account. Don't want to have my account deleted or ghosted. So I'm gonna go over here to this one here for Miami. Okay, as you can see, I have a lot of ads on this account. A lot of ads, guys. Some of them that's been expired, and as you can see, you know, a couple of them that's been deleted. But that's okay, because here's the thing. Look at all of these ads that I have set up on here. Very, very easy, guys, in doing this. So now what I'm going to do is make sure I didn't post one already for today. Okay, so I didn't post any in this account for today. What I do is I just post them, you know, every couple of days, because I have so many accounts. I would just go in and just come back in and renew the ads that I have in there. That way I always have ads circulating on Craigslist. So I'm going to go over here and I'm going to go to post classified. Okay. And because what I'm doing, I'm going to go into service offered. And I'm going to go into small biz apps, guys, right here. Okay. And then now I'm going to select one of the cities that's closest to me. And I normally post one in each city. So I'm going to go to Miami. Okay. And then now what you're going to do is just click on the title. See, when you click on the title, it's going to automatically give you this little drop down menu over here. And you just click on that and then go to F1 or whatever the ad is that you want to put in there. And you see right here, I mean, I'll have to double check that to make sure I spell nationwide correctly. Look like I'm missing the E. So anyway, so it automatically fills that in there for you guys. So if I scroll down and click on continue, I mean, it saves you a whole lot of time in doing this. I mean, see here, that ad is clickable right here. Okay, if I click on that, there it is right there. I mean, easy stuff. I mean, real simple. I mean, this can save you a lot of time in getting your ads posted. You know, and, you know, doing a lot of things, guys. I mean, you could, instead of, you know, you going there copying and pasting, you know, it probably might take you 10, 15 minutes to post one ad, or maybe even a little bit less than that. With this, it takes you seconds. I mean, you know, just log in and just go and see the ad is right here. Okay? It's right there. That's it. I mean, it's just that simple. You know, look at the other video that I have for using Photobucket, you know, and then combined it with the LastPass, and you just do the same thing. You just copy the codes and, you know, do your ads. And if I wanted to do another one, same thing. I just come over here, click on this drop down menu, okay, and go to form right here, fill forms, okay, and then go to add new profile. And let's just say I wanted to do it for another program. Or if I want to create an ad for something else, let's say I wanted to do this for my fun life. I'll just put in MFL, and this would be the first ad that I have for my fun life. And then I go over to custom fields, okay? And you're going to do the same thing again. Put in a title, okay? And then put in the description. And then this is the location. And then now you're going to come up and you're going to put in the title that you want to use for this ad. Okay? And if I wanted to use, and let me just go and grab a title real quick. Okay. Okay, so I'll just grab this one here, and I'll just go back over here, paste my my title in there, and now I'm always using HTML clickable image. So I'm going to go back over to my Photobucket account, okay, and I'm going to go to the library that I have for my fun life over here. Now, I recommend, guys, if you're going to be posting multiple ads, you know, for different things, create multiple accounts, guys. You want to create different accounts, because here is the thing. If you're posting from the same account all the time in Craigslist for one city, your ads could be ghosted or deleted. I highly recommend using other different accounts. If say for instance, you know, you're posting in Philadelphia and you live in Miami, well, you don't want to be using the same account posting, you know, have the same image coming from the same Photobucket account, you know, posting in Philadelphia and then posting inside Miami as well. You want to create an account for Philadelphia and create one for Miami. That way you keep them different, separated and unique. So let me just go into to the images that I have in here for my fun life. Give me 1 second. Okay. And I want to pretty much get a generic one. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and use this one here. And same thing applies, guys, you know, when doing this. See, this is the image here that I created inside of, well, the image, the top piece I copied, and then the other piece here, you know, just grab an image from, I mean, a call to action image from Google, and you can just fuse them together and make one image. And for those of you that use PowerPoint, you can create some beautiful ads in PowerPoint and then upload them to Photobucket. And that's another video that I'll show you guys how to do that at another time. So I'm gonna just go ahead and copy my HTML code over here, go back over to my LastPass form, okay, paste that in there, and I'll just spread that out a little bit. And remember the first line right here with the link, you're gonna go ahead and you want to remove this right here, starting from the HTTP all the way across to the HTML. And then I'm going to go ahead and type in my link in there, which is going to be HTTP, okay? And then for this one here, I'm going to just put successful life. .ws. And then remember the piece that I told you for the Photobucket ID that they put in there. I'm going to go ahead and remove that and put a call to action. So I'm going to just put click here now. Okay, and then here I'm going to put worldwide. Okay, and then that's it. I'm going to click on add form, fill profile, and then click on save, and that's it. So now if I go back into Craigslist, okay, so my ad is right here, the other one that I just finished posting. So I'm going to go back into Craigslist again, and now I'm going to go to post ad, okay? And then now I'm going to go into do the same thing again. I'm going to go into service offered. And then now I'm going to go down into small biz apps, or small biz ads right here, okay? And then now I'm going to select a different city. So I'm going into Broward, okay? And here is what you're going to do. Click on the title, guys. Just click on the title. And then it gives you a little drop down, and see right here, MFL1. I'm gonna just select that. It automatically fills my ad in there. Scroll down, click on continue, click on done. It's gonna preview that clickable ad. If I hover over it and click on it, it automatically take me over here to this site.
Welcome to the live.
So I'm gonna go ahead. That looks good. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on publish. And that's it, guys. I mean, if I click on here to go back to see my ad is right here, is live, all right there in Miami. See that? All ads that are sticking, guys. I mean, There's some people that pay, you know, $67 for a course that show them how to do some of this stuff. But I mean, if you research things, sometimes you can find them for free and don't have to pay for it. But you know, if if you just want to go ahead and learn stuff, guys, there's a lot of videos and stuff on YouTube. You can Google things. You know, like the video that I'm doing right now. I mean, it's very, very easy, and you know, looking for videos where other people are showing you how to do things. You know, and just following and you know, whatever you learn, just apply it. I mean, it is just that simple. So that's it. Actually, let me go over the back page here and then post another ad to show you guys how this would actually look on Backpage as well. And for this one, I'm going to go ahead and post this in Miami. So I'll just go to Florida and then go to Miami. Go to BizOp. Okay. Go to Post and select Miami. Select the title right here. Just click on the title. It gives me the little form fill option over here. I select that, and I'm gonna go to this ad right here that I just created. As you can see, it automatically fills it in there. I'm gonna scroll down. It automatically filled my email because I'm already logged in. I'm gonna go ahead and check this. I don't want to receive any inquiries, and I don't want to have my other listing shows because you know I post hundreds and hundreds of ads on Backpage here. And if I scroll down, let's click on continue, and then you're gonna enter in the capture code here, 823423886, and then click on place, and then I can go to preview over here, and there is my ad right there. And if I want to see if it's live already, I'll click over here. So it normally takes a little while for it to go live, a couple of minutes pretty much. And if I keep pressing on this and just check, and I'll come back here and check it later. So it'll go live right here in a couple of minutes. Normally takes it can take up to 15 minutes for your ad to go live. But sometimes they go pretty much go instantly. They go live instantly. Okay. So if I go back into my Backpage account, and there is the ad, right? Well, where did it go? Probably send it all the way to the back. So it's very easy, guys. This is very simple. Okay. Let me see something here. Yeah, I have to go through 900 to check to find out where that was posted. Oh, there it is right here. Okay. If I click on that, there it is right there. And let me just see if it's been posted already. Not yet. Okay. So it takes a little while for it to be updated. Once it's updated, it goes live over here, and then that's it. So as you can see, guys, I mean, it's very easy, and you know, using the, this option here to post your ads, filling them in pretty much almost on autopilot, which is what I would call it. So that's gonna be it. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions or need help with anything, please contact me. I'll be happy to help you out with it. Marvin Williams here, signing out.